Hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I want to share with you how to do Tunisian Simple Stitch in 2 colors. Friends, this is a super fun color work technique that is way more simple than most color work techniques. I think you're really going to love the effect that it creates and how easy it is to accomplish. So the very first thing you're going to do is do your setup just like you would for Tunisian Simple Stitch. And if you don't yet know how to set up your Tunisian crochet, go ahead and go to my video about setting up your Tunisian crochet. Once you've done your setup, typically, we're going to call my gray color A. Typically, you would return pass, but when you're doing 2-color Tunisian crochet, you're going to pause and you're going to pick up your second color and you're going to return pass in color B. So we're going to call my blue color B. The return pass is just the same as any other return pass. You're going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 and now we're back at the beginning. Now I'm going to complete my forward pass, my Tunisian Simple Stitch, with my color B, which is my blue. So I'm going to go right to left through the front of my stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop in color B, Tunisian Simple Stitch with color B, Tunisian Simple Stitch, Tunisian Simple Stitch. And then I'm looking for the V at the side of my fabric, and that's a little hard to see on this very first one because your tail is loose here, but you're going to go through that stitch and under. That's what's going to create your V, and pull up your last loop. Now that you are on the left side of your fabric, you're going to change colors. So you're going to drop color B, and now when you're down at the beginning, make sure you don't pick up your beginning tail, but that you grab the yarn that is coming from your ball of yarn so you don't run out, and you're just going to complete a return pass. With color A, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 and you're back at the beginning. And then you're going to complete your forward pass in Tunisian Simple Stitch with color A. So I'm just going to go right to left, Tunisian Simple Stitch, right to left, right to left, Tunisian Simple Stitch. And now you'll see my V is a little more evident over here. It almost looks a little more like a crisscross, but that's okay. That's going to be your last stitch. Pull through with color A, and then drop color A, and pick up color B. Complete your return pass with color B. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and last one, pull through 2, and complete your forward pass, Tunisian Simple Stitch, with color B. And it gives you this really beautiful 2-tone fabric in just the easiest way possible. So that is how you complete Tunisian Simple Stitch in 2 colors. Written instructions are in the description below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any tips and tutorials, and be sure you check out my other Tunisian crochet videos. Happy crafting!